In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free Netlify account, and then you can use this thing to host your own website freely. So let's see how we can do this thing. I'm not going to show you how to host in this video. I'm going to just show you how to create a free Netlify account. So at first we need to open any browser. I'm using Safari browser, and then we have to access this site, netlify.com, this site, and then we have to hit the return key, and very shortly we'll be like this type of page. So to create account, we just need to click this button, sign up. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now we have to scroll a little bit till we find this option, already have an account. We don't have any account, so we cannot use this thing. So for our case, we have to use this one, sign up with email. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be looking like this. Now here we need to type an email and a strong password. So I'm going to type my email address, which is FewSteps @icloud.com, and then I'm going to type a strong password. I'm going to generate a strong password by Apple Passwords thing, and then I'm going to press the sign up button, and here it is mentioning like check your email. So we need to open our email to confirm whether our account is created successfully or not. Once we open the email, we'll see Netlify is there. So here it is showing Netlify, you are nearly there. Verify your email address to log in and get started. So we need to click here to verify our Netlify account. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will open the browser and it will be verified like this. I'm going to close this thing. Now I need to log in our account. Basically, I'm going to log in my account. Once I am on the Netlify account page, I'm going to press login button, and very shortly it will bring this page. From here, I have to use this option, login with email. I'm going to click here, and now I'm going to type my email address over here and password over here. Once I completed typing my email address and password, then I'm going to press the login button, and if everything is fine, then it will be looking like this. So here it's showing your email is now verified, and we have to complete couple of things like first name, last name, and some other information. So I'm going to type first name as like Few and last name as Steps. And how you're planning to use Netlify, personal, school, client, or I'm going to use for personal, so I'm going to choose personal. And what kind of project do you want to build first? So here it is showing some other configuration like this: company project, web3, this thing, blog, and some other things. I'm going to choose like web app, and then it is asking what best describes your role. So I'm going to use on role like I am a designer or developer, junior web developer, anything. It doesn't matter, basically you can choose anything. I'm going to use senior web developer. And then what is the name of your team? You can name it like FewSteps, anything you can type, and continue to deploy. And here you can click over there. Now here it is asking deploy your first project. So now you can choose any of these options like GitHub, GitLab, Azure DevOps, or site bucket to configure your site so that it will be deployed. So that's it. In this way we can easily create the Netlify account, and the next video we'll see how we can deploy our GitHub project over here.